Okay guys, this is a 2007 built townhome that's currently for lease. Asking on it is about, what, $2,350. It's 1,800 square feet, 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath. This is over here like right in the Frisco area, so really nice property, so check it out with me. Got your half bath here. This is the stairwell. Okay. Alrighty. Kitchen. We're getting some work done right now. Kind of got a little small backyard there. This one actually has a 2-car garage with it, so. Washer dryer area. There's the garage here. Get a nice high ceiling on there too. About to do a showing pretty soon, so just waiting on them to get here. Thought I would go ahead and do a quick video before they come in, because I am a little bit early. Alright, let's go take a look upstairs. Like I said, this is 1,800 square feet, but this one's going for lease. So, alright, looking down, one little angle there. This is going to be your second bedroom. They've got a nice vaulted ceiling there. Some extra natural light. Also real cool. Full bath here. Alright. Moving on. Third bedroom. Decent amount of space here. Looking down on outside though. Moving on. And this is going to be your master. As you can see, lots of light in all these rooms. You can kind of see out there a little bit. And these are townhomes, so they're attached to by the wall. So restroom, and probably everyone's favorite is this closet. I know at least it's my favorite. It's a lot of space, plus attic access. So. Nice bathtub. I mean, there's lots of lighting in here. I would say personally, I'm like a big favorite of townhomes. So, like for me, single guy is what it is. Not too much yard care. You know, 2-car garage, which is a big plus for me. Maybe it's a big plus for you. But they're asking $2,300 for this one. $2,350 is the number. So, but there's a lot of stuff out here. This one's a little bit more expensive, but there are some more that are a little bit cheaper. So I got clients looking all the way down to like 1,800, and the properties are still looking good. So anyway, guys, that's it for me. Y'all have a good one. Bye.